The simplest way to use OpenAI's Codex for actual coding is to install the VSCode extension. There are a lot of other more powerful ways to make full use of Codex, such as using a native app. At the time of creating this video, the native app is only available on Mac. If you are on Windows, there are other methods, but I'm only going to focus on the VSCode extension. Now, to install the extension, simply go to the Extensions tab in Visual Studio Code, search for Codex, and make sure to select the one from OpenAI. It should have quite a lot of downloads. Click on Install, then click on the OpenAI logo. You will be asked to sign in with the OpenAI or ChatGPT account, and simply follow the login flow. Once back in VS Code, you can watch the demo or you can skip it. Then you are ready to go. That's pretty much it. Within less than 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, you can start making use of this codex. As a side note, for the comedy bloopers, I wanted to try out this codex as it is currently on a free promotion for only a limited time. Typically, you are going to need a monthly paid subscription to use it outside of this promotion. The first task I wanted to test out was a code review. I thought it would be very simple to just use the web-based chatbot version, in the same way that you can just simply use ChatGPT. So I got thrown into this wild tangent where I asked ChatGPT for instructions as to how to get started with Codex, the chat-based version. But the instructions on ChatGPT appear to not really be up to date as yet. So right now, the Codex web chat version, if you're going to try and use the chat version for the very first time, it's not going to be that intuitive. It should be as simple as just using ChatGPT. So if you want to get started in about 3 minutes on using Codex for software dev on Windows, currently my best option would be to just simply jump straight into VS Code.